Hey, neighbor. Thanks for visiting me at least. I had a little bit of a lab accident. Did not feel good at all. So, how you doing? Oh, you're asking how I'm doing too? Well, not doing too well. I actually just feel sick, my stomach bro. But it's understandable after the lab accident. Poppy said I'll be fine tomorrow, so I'll probably be able to work again. I hope you have a birthday and, try to stay out of trouble. Oh, yeah. Why is it everything hurt? Mm. Is that the old moon? It can't be a coincidence. It is the full moon, but why do I feel like this? Mm, mm. Body's turned not. Mm. Uh, okay, this isn't a coincidence anymore. Oh, fuck. Oh, hands. What in the world? This isn't the size it was before. Bigger. Everything hurts. Oh, no. Mate, stop. Clothes, they're gonna tear. You'd have to get new ones tomorrow. Ow. Ugh. Please let me make.